On x, we have 4x minus 3y equal to 40. We can call that one equation 1. And the second equation, we have 2x plus y equal to 5. Okay, so these are the two simultaneous equations we have. The choice is ours. We can use substitutions, we can use elimination methods. Okay, but in this question, I'm going to use a substitutions method. So from equation 2, I will make y the subject here. From equation 2, y is equal to what? 5 minus 2x. Call that one equation 3. Okay, and don't forget that equation 3 and 2, they are the same equation. Okay, then substitute or plug in equation 3 into 1. Plug in equation 3 into 1. Okay, since equation 3 and 2 are the same, so you cannot combine them together. You can substitute 2 and 3 together. They are the same. So what we are going to do is to plug in 3 into 1. Okay, so anywhere you see y in equation 1, you put this expression there. Okay, and that will be equal to 4x minus 3 into bracket 5 minus 2x equal to what? 40. My y is what? My y is 5 minus 2x. Then you can do the expansion. That will be minus 3 times this one, that's 15. Minus times minus, that's plus. 3 times 2x, that's 6x equal to 40. Okay? Collect like times. Collect like terms. That is bring the x together, 4x plus 6x in one side, and then the numbers also in one side. So this is 40 here on the right hand side. Move this one also to the right hand side. This is minus 15. When the minus sign move over an equal sign, that sign will reverse itself. Okay, and that minus become what? Plus what? Plus 15. Okay, so I have what? 15, 55. 10x equal to what? 55. So x is equal to what? 5.5. Okay, so I've gotten x now, then I can get my y. From equation 3, from 3, y is equal to what? 5 minus what? 5 minus 2x. And that will be equal to 5 minus 2 times our x is what? 5.5. 5.5. And that will be 5 minus 2 times 5.5. That will be 11. That's minus 6. That's minus 6. That's minus 6. So we have that's minus 6. Okay, so that will be 5.5 comma minus 6 for that question. Yeah, question 9. Question 9. We have 3x minus y equal to 7. For that one, equation 1. Then the second equation, 10x plus 3y equal to minus 2. For that one, equation 2. So these are the two equations we have now. These are the two equations we have. Okay. So what do? We can, the choice is ours. The coefficient of y here is 3. Here is what? Minus that 3 here. We can use elimination, we can use substitution method. If you want to use elimination method, then we can multiply this place by 3 so that it will have the same coefficient with that of y in equation 2. Okay, so equation 1 times 3, that will be 9x minus 3y equal to what? 21. 7 times 3, that's 21. Call that one equation 3. And this one will be what? 10x plus 3y equal to minus 2 equal to 2. So we didn't touch our equation 2. The only thing is just for us to make this minus 1 here, the coefficient of y here to be the same to that of equation 2, and we have done that. So with this now, the next thing to do now is this is minus, this is plus. Then we can add the two equations together. Equation 3 plus 2. You can add them together. And if you do that, we have 9 plus 10, that's 19. This one we cancel out if you add them together. Minus 3 plus 3 to cancel out. Then you have 21 or so plus minus 2. So, and that will be equal to what? That will be equal to 19. So, s is equal to what? 1. Okay? S is 1. 19. That's 19 over 19. We have that. Then, the next thing to do now is to substitute for x value in any of the equation. We can use one. Substitute x equal to 1 in equation 1. Substitute s equal to 1 in equation 1. So, and that will be equal to what? 3 times 1 minus y equal to 7. So, that will be equal to 3. Move this 7 to the left side. Minus 7 equal to y. So, y is what? Minus 4. So, that finished that. So, you know, if you want to write in form of xy coordinates, that will be equal to 1 comma minus 4. So, that one is done for question 9. Very fast. Then question 10, which is the last question. Question 10, we can solve it in many forms, but let's look at it in this way. This is 2y equal to 2x minus 3. Can we write it in the form of xy? Move this y to the other side, and that will be 2x minus 2y. Once we move this 2y to the other side, then you have 2x minus 2y. This number, minus 3, move it to the left-hand side. You got what? You got 3. Equation 1. Okay? Then, the next thing to do now is to do the same thing for second equation. That will be x minus 3y. Move this 3y to the other side, and move this minus 1 to the left side. Equals 1. Equation 2. Okay? So that's what we have now. Then you can see the coefficient here is 2. The coefficient, the attachment to x here is 2. And here is 1. Okay? So what can we do? Let's try to make this one also to be 2 also. So equation 2 times what? Times 2. Equation 2 times 2. And that will be 2x minus 6y equal to 2. Okay? Equal to 2. Call this equation 3. Call it equation 3. Okay? Call it equation 3. So that's what we have there. So then combine 1 and 3 together. Since the coefficient of x here and a are the same thing. Okay? Then how can we cancel that? How can we cancel the x? So that will be equation 1. We need to subtract so that the x variable or alphabet will cancel out. 2x minus 2x cancel out. Then we have minus 2y minus into bracket minus 6y. You need to take cognizance of the sign. This is minus 2y. Minus 2y. Then minus from this subtraction here. Then what you have here is what? Minus 6y. Equal to what? 3 minus 2. And that's 1. So this will give me minus 2y. Minus times minus, that's plus 6y. Equal to what? 1. Okay? So this will be 4y. Equal to 1. So y is equal to what? 1 over 4. Y is equal to 1 over 4. So with that now, I can make substitution to any of the equations and get the x value. Okay? Any of them. So using equation 2, x minus 3y equal to 1. Then x minus 3 times 1 over 4 equal to 1. Okay? Substitute for y in equation 2. Okay, then that will give me my x equal to 1. This is minus 3 over 4. Move it to the right hand side. That's plus 3 over 4. So if you do this one, 4 times 1 plus 3, that's 7 over 4. So that's the x value. So if you want to write the answer in xy coordinates, that will be equal to 7 over 4, comma, my y is what? 1 over 4. So that's the end of that simultaneous equation, linear simultaneous equation. Okay, so this next segment, the next video will be non-linear simultaneous equation, which will involve a linear and quadratic equations. Okay, if you're new on the channel, please subscribe straight away. You can do it right now. Okay, and also click on the notification bell so that as we upload, you get notified.